So they're giving me a number, notice 7113. 7113, and they want me to take this and go say, which is it, this one or this one or this one? You know, is it that one, that one, that one, that one, or that one? Which of those? So this will be multiple choice. Notice. So on the exam, this will be multiple choice, just like it is right here on the practice exam. It'll be multiple choice because I don't expect you to type in bars and dots, right? That would be weird. I don't even know how we would do that. So it's a multiple choice question. So which of those is the same as 7,113? Well, how do we do it? Let's come on down here, 7,113. So question 6. So 7,113 change to Mayan. So how do you change to Mayan? Well, you got to write out the place values, don't you? Remember those? So the place values. And we had those a minute ago. Remember, it's the ones place, and then the 20s place, and then the 400s place, and the 8,000s place. Like I said, you're not going to need any more than that, I promise. So just put those on your notes for the Mayan system, so you just automatically know those. You don't have to calculate them or fool around. You can just write them down. Ones place, 20s place, 400s place, 8,000s place, right? That's just multiplying by 20 every time. Okay, look, let me do this a little better. Okay, so we're gonna figure out then each of these places. Now, how do we do it? How do we know what goes on? Remember where you start when you go to a foreign system? I'm trying to change into Mayan, a foreign system. Do we start at the bottom or the top?
At the top.
Yeah, you got to start at the biggest you can. Now, can I do any 8,000s? My number is 7,113.
No.
So no 8,000s, right? You don't need any 8,000s to make the number 7,113. But we will need, here, let me get a little more room for us here. We will need some 400s, right? So what do I do to figure out how many 400s are needed?
You do 7,113 divided by 400, and then you take the whole number.
Exactly. Good job. Yeah, use your calculator, take the whole number. So you have to have a calculator that you're comfortable with other than your cell phone. You saw those notes, right? No cell phone calculators, because you can text your friends for help and go on websites. So we can't be using our calculator. I'm sorry, can't be using our cell phone on the test. You have to have a calculator you're comfortable with that's not your cell phone. So make sure you have a good calculator you like that's not your cell phone. 17, right, you take the whole number. 17. Good. And now remember what we do is we figure out what that is. We say, what is 17 times 400? Because we're saying 17 in the 400s place. We say, well, that's 6,800. So we're trying to represent the number 7,113. So far, we've got 17 400s, which is 6,800. So how much do we have left to represent the entire 7,113? We subtract, don't we, to figure that out. So we take 7,113 and we subtract. Remember how this works? Use your calculator. I think it comes out, yeah, 313 left to go. So remember, you divide and then you subtract. We have 313 left. Left to go. We've already represented by putting 17 400s. We've represented 6,800. So we have a little bit left to go to represent the whole 7,113. We have 313 left. What do we do next?
Multiply.
Well, we just multiplied. I just did that. I multiplied the 17 times 400. So now we're going to divide again, aren't we? We're going to take the 313 that's left and divide by the next place, which is the 20s place. And when you do that, you get 15.65. And so you just take the 15. Remember this, 15 20s. What is that? I think that's 300. So now you subtract. We had 313 left. Bring it down here. 313. Subtract the 300 that we just represented. This 300, right? Goes right there. So now we have only, can you see this? Only 13 left. Only 13 left to go. And so that just means 13 goes right here. 13 ones is 13. You can double check it. If you add these up, they make the 7113. So there it is. There's our Mayan number. We just have to write it in the Mayan symbols now. How do we make 17? You know, that's bar, bar, bar. That's 15, 16, 17, right? Bar, 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 5, 5, 5, right? That's 5, 5, 5, 2. That's 17. This one is bar, 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 5. Whoops, scribbly there. Bar, 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 5, 5, 5. That's 15. And then bar, bar, that's 10, 11, 12, 13. There it is. So there is the right Mayan number. So let's look back at the multiple choice options now for that. Let's see, 2 bars and 3. I'm gonna start on the bottom here. 2 bars and 3 dots. Let me go compare. 2 bars and 3 dots. Oh, there it is. 2 bars and 3. Not this one, not this one, not this one, not that one. 2 bars, 3 dots, 3 bars, and then, is that right? And yeah, 3 bars, and then 3 bars, 2 dots at the top. 3 bars, yeah. There it is. So here's my overall answer. Let me do that in a color that shows up. Here we go. There it is. There's the right answer in the multiple choice question. Like that. So
why weren't we able to use the 8,000s place value?
I was not able to use any 8,000s because my number's not that big. My number's only 7,113. So remember, you're trying to make the number 7,113 out of these pieces. So I don't need any 8,000 pieces to make a number that's only 7,000 something on that. So you start at the biggest, you start with the biggest pieces you need. You don't need any 8,000s to make a number that's 7,000 something, but you do need a bunch of 400s and other numbers like it. That's a good question.